So we want to change the overall look of the scene. First, I'm gonna change some of the gray materials that I forgot to change in the last video. There's quite a few. So anything that's too dark or too gray, I'm going to switch back to white. Okay. Okay, I think that's everything. Okay, there's one here. I hope that's the last one. Nope. Okay, I think it's good. I'm going to change the direction of light, the angle of it. Okay, I think this is good enough. And the sky, I want a darker sky. Let's also go into post-processing and add some camera effects, because we're not just working with bricks anymore. I'm going to create a new profile, Control D to duplicate, and I'll call it Industrial Scene Day. And drag in the new profile. And let's add some effects. Some color grading, vignette, aberration, chromatic aberration, depth of field. I'm going to add it all in there. And I also like aces. Make it a little brighter. And the directional light should be a little brighter too, I guess. And maybe that's a little too much. Yeah, some yellow in there. Just a little bit. And let's start adjusting all these options. Bloom. Don't want it to be too much. Okay. Chromatic. .08. V7. Just make sure that you don't overdo everything, or anything. Depth of field. Before I do depth of field, I'm going to change the camera position. I want to kind of look down from up. So something like this. Okay. I want to focus on the player, sort of give you the miniature look. Some people don't like this effect, but I like it. Okay, I'm just gonna put the player up here and look down. And let's look at some of the other settings as well. The color, very important. So just by changing color and lighting alone, you can have certain types of looks that are very different, that can be very different from the original asset. So there's no concrete answer to what makes a scene look good. Just got to play around with these numbers and see what you like. Okay. I also think we should change the fog. This might be a little too much or too little. Change the lighting once more. Note that we have a different number for fog. It's a subtle difference, but it's all about the details. I think the camera angle's kind of funny. Maybe it's too high, too much Z. Just gotta keep on fine-tuning. Okay, it's not bad. Some more depth, maybe. I think it's pretty good. Let me lower the lighting just a little bit. I might have to change slightly the environment position. Okay, let me try this. I think it's fine. So now that we've drastically changed the camera angle, the camera settings, and the lighting, we now have a completely different looking scene. And I like what I'm seeing here. It's not too bad. I'm probably going to make additional changes as I go on, but for now, I think things are looking good. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.